Sana, today is my presentation. My presentation on truth. So this board is already written it. And this board are written it. So it is a there. So where in the world you like to visit? Yes, I like to visit different places. Like I like to visit Taj Mahal. It is in India. And I like to visit it Canada. When I will grown up, so I will visit it in my future. So second is if you could eat just one food for whole week, what will be? So if I have a opportunity, so I will eat it chili biryani. So it is my favorite. If I have opportunity, so I eat it. So, what was the last thing you cried for? So, when it is most of the girls, they ever cry. So it is my habit. I was cry to my everything. One day I was sitting, no one at my side. That time I feel so I feel so hard. So I was cried. And ugliest thing among boys and girls. So I don't like to date habits of boys. Like most of the boys, they beat their sisters. So I don't like to these habit of boys. So thank you. That is a truth. In this board is here written is there. So now I will do. Now I will do book on your hand. So I will do. I can do the second there. So it is English song. When I see you again, when I see you again, it is a long day without you. My friend, I will tell you all about it when I see you again, when I see you again. Okay. Now I will third there. So having a pen and your mouth to make a circle. So thank you this presentation.